Welcome to this tutorial on the School Asset Inventory Category module. The School Asset Inventory system is designed to help schools efficiently track and manage their valuable assets. From computers and lab equipment to furniture and teaching materials, keeping an accurate record of these resources is essential for proper management, maintenance, and budgeting. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the Category module, a crucial part of the system. The Category module allows users to organize assets into specific categories, making it easier to sort and track items based on their type or purpose. For example, assets can be grouped under categories like technology, furniture, or laboratory equipment. This helps streamline inventory management and ensures that assets are properly categorized for reporting and decision-making. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a fully functional category module for managing school assets, including creating new categories, updating existing ones to reflect inventory changes, deleting unnecessary categories, and viewing a comprehensive list of all available categories. By the end, you'll have an organized system that simplifies asset management and enhances overall efficiency. The function folder contains essential PHP scripts that manage database operations related to school asset categories. The add category PHP file processes the addition of new categories by validating inputs and inserting them into the TBL_category table, redirecting users with a success message if successful. The check duplicate PHP script ensures category names are unique by checking for duplicates before adding or updating. Delete category PHP handles category deletion by removing entries from the database, ensuring no integrity violations occur. Lastly, edit category PHP processes updates to existing categories, validating and updating records accordingly. Together, these files enable efficient category management in the school asset inventory system. In this part of the tutorial, we cover the School Asset Inventory Category module, focusing on how to manage asset categories within the system. We discuss the structure of the TBL_category table, which stores category information such as category_id, category_name, and description. We also walk through the key files involved, including category_list, PHP, add_modal, PHP, edit_delete_modal, PHP, and the functions in the function folder like add category, PHP, check duplicate, PHP, delete category, PHP, and edit category, PHP. These files should be placed in the category folder inside the Pages folder of the project. With this module, users can efficiently add, update, delete, and view asset categories. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the School Asset Inventory Category module. I hope you found it helpful in understanding how to efficiently manage categories, from adding and updating to deleting and viewing them within your system. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.